Hi friends, this video shows how to find locally and globally installed binaries using npm. So first I am going to show how to find locally installed binaries using npm. For that we can run this command npm bin. So this command will show you the path where this locally installed binaries are stored. So let me copy this path and ls there. So these are the binaries which you installed locally using npm. So if you want to find the globally installed binaries, you can run npm bin then -g. So in this path you can see all globally installed binaries using npm. So let me ls there, then npm. So this way we can find all globally and locally installed executables using npm. Please subscribe my channel, please like and share the video. If you have any doubt, please comment.